Hey everyone, I wanted to give you guys an honest review here of the KRUPS grinder. I believe it is unsafe for human consumption. Whether you're grinding, tea, coffee, beans, anything that you have, that's fine. I have to say that this is not safe. The manufacturer cheaply designed this when they used this piece of plastic here as the cap. And I thought I smelled something when I was grinding it, and this is brand new. I may have used it twice. And I'm gonna try to get into focus here, but if you look really close on the top of the cap, I'm gonna try to get a zoom in here. Pieces of plastic from your, whatever it is being tossed around, grinding your coffee beans, have you, it throws it up against it in a way that it's abrasive. And look what it has done. It has actually peeled some of the plastic off, unbeknownst to me, getting into things that we're putting in our bodies. And this is just a gross understatement of the design. And please be aware of it, because that is unacceptable by every stretch of the word. Look at that plastic off just completely. Oh my God. Please don't buy this.
Esta es la taza. Como pueden ver, eso se desensambló y perdió la roca. Es una porquería. Y esto, como pueden ver, se desensambló. Esto lo que tiene es unas arandelitas de plástico. Pura basura. Ni Amazon ni la tienda que vendió ha respondido. Es decir, eso cuesta más de $50, 52 y pico. Y ya en menos de 10 días, 10 u 11 días, ya dejó de funcionar. Es de la marca KRUPS. Para que vean que la supuesta súper silenciosa, que muy buena, pero es una basura, no sirve. Para que vean y para que no compren esa porquería.
See how it's already breaking down so much. Just one more push.